Can water flosser replace flossing? Traditional string floss for sure has its merits. It is simple to use, very cheap, and it could easily be a part of your travel bag, which makes it suitable for use virtually anywhere. So why would anyone think of a water flosser as a replacement for traditional string floss, you ask? Consider this water flossers versus string floss pointers before you make a decision. Efficiency. The water picks can reduce gingivitis 51% more effectively than traditional floss. Not only that, but plaque removal improved by 29% when using water picks, easier to use. Water flossers solve this problem entirely because they can be used by anyone. It's just a matter of pointing the tip in the area you need to clean between the teeth and press the button to activate the stream of water, suitable for all kinds of teeth and mouths. With water flossers, the environment is not an issue. The stream of water easily adapts itself to the shape of the area being cleaned, and the pen-like handle reaches easily anywhere in the mouth. Less risk of gum damage. Traditional string floss always had the underlying problem of accidentally damaging the gums. This simply doesn't happen with water picks. Although there is a small risk of damaging your gums from the string water jet, the damage is nothing compared to the damage a string can do. Refreshing with great smelling breath. Water flossers could be filled with a refreshing mouthwash. This leaves you relaxed and refreshed with great smelling breath for hours after use. In conclusion, you need to know that most dental professionals would recommend a combination of both traditional string floss and a water flosser. So to answer the question, can water flosser replace flossing? Yes. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.